Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to watch or see How to Train Your Dragon on Hulu. So for that case, you have to go ahead and open up a browser and make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, I'm going to show you one of the direct way of watching How to Train Your Dragon. For that case, open up a browser on a web address bar, type in www.hulu.com/series/How to Train Your Dragon. I'm going to leave the link on my description box below as well. So right on this page, you need to either log in into your account or that you need to have an account. So if you don't have an account, then you can create by tapping on start your free trial right at the bottom and just provide in all of the information that will be required. Accordingly, you'll have successfully watched How to Train Your Dragon on Hulu. And likewise, if you have already logged in or that you already have an account, click on the login from the top right and enter in your credential, and it's going to directly take you to the page where you can go ahead and press the play button and you can just go ahead and watch it. That's how you can watch series on Hulu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.